So it's March 17, 2020. We're here watching our chickens eat some seeds in the midst of the the coronavirus pandemic. Here we are having a lot of fun. Loden and I, he's trying to catch some chickens. So we're here. This is our source of eggs for our house. We just got 6 more. These guys are slowing down a little bit. I'm just introducing Loden to these chickens. So he learns to be gentle with them. Over there, we have a cabbage hanging from an eye hook. Chickens love that. And I put the bird seed right here, so that when the little the wild birds come and they get the seed, they drop some for the chickens and they love it. This one is Roma. That's Pearl. Pearl, say hi. Stella. Yuki. Yuki Noroguchi. We got a big water bowl for them. They make a big mess. There's a little chicken area here. We have hay down covering the ground. It helps the ground recover, and chickens are destructive. This is our homemade chicken coop. That's our homemade baby. A little bit of snow today, nothing to be concerned about. And right here in front of our house is our chickens and a little boy. I'm sorry for the vertical video. Didn't think about that before I started, but can turn the camera on now. That's where the chickens sleep. That's where they poop. Extra food. Laying box. They like to lay on the bottom too. If you can see, there's like a little thing over there. And chicken feed. That's my handsome baby. Hey, handsome guy. Hello. The chickens are having some fun. We use a hay bale, and that's the little chicken door. They hop over here. They come this way. Jump over here. Peck some cabbage, and then they go to sleep. Woo. To sleep. All right. This is Victor and Loden checking out. Things will be good. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna be healthy. And I am, because we are. Peace out.